Today I'm taking you on a peaceful yet refreshing adventure through this natural wonder. We'll hike, take in the breathtaking scenery, and I'll share why waterfalls and water in general are so meaningful to me. So let's dive in. Filipinos love road trips, nature, and hidden gems, making Todtnauer Wasserfall a perfect destination for those craving adventure and scenic beauty. Here's why a long drive to this stunning waterfall in Germany's Black Forest would be a dream trip for many Filipinos. Number 1. Filipinos love long drives with breathtaking views. Think of road trips to Tagaytay, Baguio, or the coastal highways of Palawan and Cebu. The journey to Todtnauer Wasserfall offers the same excitement and winding roads, lush forests, and the cool mountain air, creating the perfect travel vibe. Add some OPM road trip playlists and snacks, and it's like driving through the scenic routes of the Philippines. Growing up in the Philippines, many of us were surrounded by majestic waterfalls like Maria Cristina Falls, Todtnauer Falls, and Kawasan Falls. Waterfalls hold a special place in Filipino culture, often being the highlight of summer getaways and family outings. Seeing Todtnauer Wasserfall in Germany brings back those nostalgic memories of road trips to stunning Philippine waterfalls. Filipinos are all about unwinding, finding a place to escape from the stress of work and city life. Todtnauer Wasserfall offers that serene, nature-filled escape, perfect for breathtaking trips, feeling the cool mist of the falls, and just letting go of daily worries. It's the Baguio or Sagada of Germany, where you can find inner peace while being surrounded by nature. Also, Filipinos love traveling with family and friends, making this trip a great bonding experience. Imagine stopping by for a picnic, taking fun group photos, or even dipping your feet in the cool water. Whether it's a romantic getaway, a barkada adventure, or a family road trip, this waterfall has the relaxing and joyful atmosphere Filipinos love. If you miss the cool, refreshing climate of Baguio or Tagaytay, Todtnauer Wasserfall will make you feel right at home. With its fresh mountain air, chilly breeze, and peaceful atmosphere, it's the perfect break from Germany's busier cities. It's the kind of place where you want to drink a cup of water, a warm cup of coffee, or chocolate while enjoying the view. Also, another thing about Filipinos is the love capturing beautiful moments, and Todtnauer Wasserfall is an Instagram-worthy destination. From picturesque trails to dramatic waterfall shots, every angle is a perfect backdrop for travel vlogs, couple photos, or aesthetic nature spots. Plus, imagine the TikTok reels and Facebook check-ins with captions like "Tara, road trip" or "waterfall chasing in Germany." Filipinos are known for being adventurous travelers. We love hiking, exploring, and finding hidden nature spots. Todtnauer Wasserfall offers a sense of adventure with its hiking trails, flowing streams, and misty air, giving us that familiar thrill of discovering nature's beauty just like we do back at home. A long drive to Todtnauer Wasserfall is a must-do experience for Filipinos who love nature, road trips, and waterfalls. It's a place that reminds us of home, yet offers something new. A refreshing black forest escape where we can reconnect with water, unwind, and make unforgettable memories. So if you're a Filipino living in Germany or just visiting, add this to your travel list because nothing beats the joy of chasing waterfalls. Have you ever been to waterfall in Germany or Europe? Let me know in the comments. Getting here is an adventure in itself. The trail is surrounded by the lush beauty of the Black Forest, making the walk incredibly scenic. The sound of the birds, the rustling leaves, and the distant rush of the waterfall, it all feels so calming. Todtnauer Wasserfall is about 97 meters high, making it one of the tallest natural waterfalls in Germany. It's nestled between Todtnauer Berg and Alpha and the hike here isn't too difficult. Just the right balance of effort and reward. Even before reaching the main falls, you'll see smaller streams and mini waterfalls along the way, all adding to the beauty of this place. And there it is, Todtnauer Wasserfall in all its glory. Seeing it up close is a completely different experience. The sound, the mist, the sheer power of the water, it's mesmerizing. Water has always been an important part of my life. I grew up in Mindanao, Philippines, where Maria Cristina Falls is famous. Being constantly surrounded by beaches, rivers, and waterfalls shaped my love for water. It's something I deeply miss living here in Germany, and standing here in front of this waterfall brings back so many memories of home. I've always been drawn to water. As a Scorpio Moon, I find that being near it helps me clear my mind and feel grounded and centered. Because water is more than just an element. It's a source of healing, clarity, and renewal. It's like no matter how chaotic life gets, the sound of rushing water washes away stress and brings everything back into balance. This is why I love chasing waterfalls, visiting lakes, and just being near water. It's where I feel the most at peace, the most connected to myself and the world around me. One of the best things about Todtnauer Wasserfall is how accessible it is. You can get really close to the water, feel the mist on your skin, and even find cozy little spots to just sit and take it all in. There are also picnic areas nearby. So if you ever come here, I'd recommend bringing some snacks and just enjoying the sound of the waterfall. And if you're lucky, you might even catch a rainbow in the mist, a little touch of magic from nature. There's something about places like this that remind me to slow down. Life gets busy, so noisy, and we rarely take the time to just breathe and be present. But standing here, listening to the water, feeling the fresh air. This is what true peace feels like. For anyone feeling overwhelmed, stressed, or just in need of a reset, nature is always here. Water, forests, mountains, they hold a kind of wisdom that modern life often makes us forget. This has been an incredible experience, seeing Todtnauer Wasserfall up close, reconnecting with my love for water, and just having a break from a usual routine. It was exactly what I needed. If you ever get the chance to visit, I highly recommend it. It's one of those places that stays with you long after you leave. And who knows, maybe I'll start a whole series on chasing waterfalls across Germany. Let me know in the comments section below. What's your favorite waterfall or body of water? I'd love to hear your stories. Before you leave, I'd like to invite you to check out my books. Like My Name is Pepper, Non-Native Speakers Only, and the rest of the fiction and non-fiction works that I have published in the last 3 years. And help me as a content creator by embarking on my journey of love, self-discovery, and empowerment through my writing, through my social media, through this YouTube channel. And as an author, I'm highly dedicated and passionate about storytelling and empowering others. Through diverse narratives and practical guides, I aim to inspire readers to explore new perspectives and pursue their creative aspirations. And what you're seeing now, my travels and my vlogs, this is just part of who I am. And I'm just sharing all these things with you because you're my friend and you deserve to know. So if you're interested, all my books are available across various bookstores worldwide. And for more details into how to purchase, just search M. Gaspary on your preferred bookstore's website and visit the links provided in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment for more travel adventures. Until next time, stay connected, stay grounded, and keep chasing what brings you joy. See you soon. Tschüss!